People have different development goals, and it can vary from person to person, state to state, region to region, or even country to country. And a development for a person need not be necessarily be development for another person. It can be destructive for him. For example, an industrialist wants to build a dam to get hydro energy and electric energy, but it will destroy the nearby forest and the people living inside it. So in this case, the industrialist is developing, but it is also destroying the forest and the people living inside it. Income is considered one of the most common factor in development, as we can buy goods and services from it. But a common person needs a mix of goals like high education, high income, good health facilities, and healthy food. Countries can be classified into three types on the basis of development: developed countries, undeveloped countries, and developing countries. And India comes in developing countries. And we can differentiate between two countries on the basis of national income. National income is the sum of the total income of each individual in a country. But there is a problem in it, as different countries have different population, so national income would also vary. And classification on the basis of per capita income. It means that the total GDP divided by the total population in that country. But it also has a problem, as some people in the country has more money than other person, so the per capita income changes, and it hides the disparities of poor people or the people who has less money. And in 2017, World Bank gave a World Development Report. In it, the countries having per capita income above $12,056 are known as rich countries, and countries having per capita income lower than $955 are known as poor countries. And in 2017 report, India has a per capita income of $1820, so it comes in middle.